Let's take a look at the housing market data that came in over the weekend for the greater Albuquerque area. This is Tico Venturi with the Venturi Group. As I pull up my slides here, you can get this data on our website at welcomehomeabq.com. I've got these charted there. Right now, we are looking at the entire MSA, so that's the whole four-county area, and we're looking at single-family homes for sale. So let's run through the data. There's a quick summary here, but I'm going to dive a little deeper into this data. The market action index is just a simple measurement of where the market is from a supply demand, and then gives it a rating for seller's market or buyer's market. We are still showing in a seller's market, and last month you can see a little sliver right there. That's indicating that we've moved into a stronger seller's market than we have a month ago. So let's look at the numbers. Median list price high again, highest we've seen in really other than last week. We had another peak here a little bit ago, but right now 450,000 is the median list price of all homes on the market. New homes that came on the market has dipped down a little bit. Again, this is median, so you have to just understand what came on the market. If there were smaller homes and less expensive homes on the market, could have pushed that down. But again, we watch this every week so we can see the trend over time. Price per square foot, it had peaked up here at the end of March, in the beginning of April, and it's pulled back a little bit, but not much. And again, that's another measurement of pricing. So these all indicate that home prices are up, and not a whole lot of indication of them coming back down. Because if you look at something like price decreases here, 30%, 29%, that's really actually low. That's not a big number. That's just, people that maybe got a little bit ahead on their list price and have had to adjust. Because if we look at the, or is it days on market right there? Days on market's actually gone down. So that does indicate strong buyer demand. And now I'm talking about this, just looking at the data, but we know just from the anecdotal, just seeing it on our team, there is plenty of buyer demand out there, especially in those lower price points under the median. And just to give you an idea, median list price here was 450. Median sell price is closer to that 330, 340 range, just to give you an idea. Now, I'm going to jump down here. Oh, inventory. I'm sorry. Can't go without talking about inventory. Number of homes on the market took another tick down this week. And that's disappointing, because this time of year, we normally see a surge in the number of homes coming on the market, and we just haven't had it this year. It's been an unusual year from that standpoint. People are not listing their homes. People are not moving as often, and they're staying put. We've got this all broken down here more, but I wanted to jump down to this chart because it's kind of an interesting one. And what we do is we take all the homes that are market that are on the market, break it down into four different groups. And you can see the top tier is about 800,000. This top mid top is 535. The lower mid lower, and then the bottom tier at 276. So that tells you, kind of breaks it down. And then you can see the square footage. Obviously, the bottom tier is going to be smaller square foot in the top tier. Lot sizes, bedrooms, bathrooms, age of home. I found this one interesting. So age of home, you look at this, so the 38 years old. So those, less expensive homes for the most part are the older homes. And then in this middle tier, this kind of upper tier, it was the newest homes across the board that are on the market. And then one thing that we watch real closely is here, how many new and how many absorbed. So for the lower tier, we had 77 new, but 79 off. So we're going in the wrong direction from that standpoint. We have more homes coming on the market than going off. And I say in the wrong direction just because there is such a demand for homes in that lower price point. And we can see that now in this other tier here, we had about 30 that came on. And in this case, we had 76 that came off the market. So we are going in the wrong direction from a supply standpoint for, just homes on the market. And you can see that lower price point. Days on market is that's what DOM is. Days on market is 14 days for those. Those are homes that are active on the market. If you actually look at what things close for, how many days on market, it's probably going to be even lower, probably like 4 days, median days on market for a lot of the homes that are going to close in May. Things are moving very, very fast. Again, if you want to check this all out, you can find it on our website at welcomehomeabq.com. And well, this isn't going to be super helpful because the view is not very good, but I've got this broken down by all different parts of town as well, and you can subscribe to it right here. If you need any help with your real estate, we're the Venturi Group with Real Broker in Albuquerque, 505-448-8888.